Before you start, read through these instructions carefully so that you can collect your sample effectively. Ensure your kit contains all the items listed on the outside of the provided box. Check the expiry date on your request form. You have 6 months after purchase before it expires. To avoid having to do the test again, it is important to mail your Colorectal Health FIT kit or drop it off at a LifeLabs PSC location within 2 days of collecting your sample. Do not use this kit if you see blood in your stool, poop, toilet bowl, or the toilet paper when you wipe. Speak to your family doctor or nurse practitioner because you may need other tests. Your family doctor or nurse practitioner may do a physical exam and may ask you to see a specialist to have a flexible sigmoidoscopy or colonoscopy instead. If you have undergone dental work that resulted in bleeding, you should wait 3 days before you collect your sample. If you are bleeding from diagnosed hemorrhoids, have constipation or urinary bleeding, or are menstruating, having a period, wait until you have stopped bleeding for 3 days before you collect your sample. The device appears opened, damaged, or expired. See the year, month, and date printed on the collection device, not on the green cap. Contact LifeLabs at 1-877-849-3637 if so. Find a comfortable, private bathroom to collect your sample. You will need a toilet and a clean surface to lay out your kit materials. This process is expected to take 10 to 15 minutes. Step 1. Wash your hands with soap and water and dry. Lay out your kit contents. Step 2. Check that the date of birth and name are accurate on the collection device and request form. If any of these are inaccurate, please contact the LifeLabs customer support team at 1-877-849-3637. Step 3. If needed, urinate, pee, and flush your toilet. Step 4. Line the toilet with the stool collection paper. Step 5. Defecate, poop, onto the collection paper. Note, do not pee onto the collection paper, and do not let your poo touch the water or the toilet. Step 6. Twist the cap to open the collection device. Be careful not to empty or spill the fluid in the device. Step 7. Scrape the stick along the poo until the grooves are covered. You only need a little poo for the test. Please do not add extra, or the test may be rejected. Do not let your poo touch the water or toilet. Step 8. Put the stick back in the collection device and click the cap to close it. Do not reopen the collection device after use. Step 9. Flush the biodegradable collection paper. Wash your hands with soap and water. Dry thoroughly. Step 10. Clearly write the date and time of collection on the sample label provided with this kit. Adhere the label vertically on top of the original tube label. Your sample will be rejected if this step is not completed. Step 11. Place the securely capped collection device in the clear zip-top bag found in your kit. Step 12. Clearly write the date and time of your collection on the request form provided with this kit. Put the request form back in the clear zip-top bag included in your kit. Step 13. Carefully seal the zip-top bag and ensure it is completely sealed. Step 14. Place the zip-top bag with your collection device and request form into the envelope supplied in this kit. Ensure the return label is clearly legible on the mailer. Mail your package or drop it off at your closest Canada Post. Find a post office on the Canada Post website. Alternatively, you can drop off your kit at your closest LifeLabs location. Visit locations.lifelabs.com to find the location closest to you. For more information about the LifeLabs Colorectal Health FIT testing and results, please visit lifelabs.com/fit-testing. Note, should unexpected events not described in the instructions occur during self-collection, contact your doctor or call LifeLabs at 1-877-849-3637.